This is Martin Carlisle with Electric from pico2018 2018. You came across a custom server that Dr. Zernon's company, Electric Limited, uses. It seems to be storing some encrypted files. Can you get us the flag? Connect on port 56215. All right, so I'm going to connect on port 56215. And it looks like I have a menu here. I can encrypt and store a file, I can decrypt a file, I can list files, and I can exit. So if I list files, I see there's a flag something.txt. If I want to decrypt the file, it asks me for some sort of share code. So I'm going to need to figure out what that is. And it says I can't find the file. So let's encrypt a file. So it gives me back a share code when I encrypt a file. So if I use that share code, I can get back my data. All right, so it looks like if I just knew the share code for this flag file, I would be able to get it back. All right, so let's look at the source code. And in particular, what do-decrypt does is it's going to take in a share code and then it tries to decrypt it with AES. Let's look at what's going on with the AES. The AES is using counter mode. That's the CTR all caps in Electric. And so what counter mode does, I have a picture here from a nice website, is it basically takes a nonce, then it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. for each block of text that it wants to encrypt. So it takes the key, which is a secret, it takes that nonce, it runs that through the cipher, but then it takes that result and simply exclusive ORs it with the ciphertext to get the plain text. And so what that will mean is that we'll be able to change the plain text by just doing some exclusive OR on the ciphertext. So if we have like a known plain text, we can take the ciphertext, do a little XOR, and we'll know what the plain text is going to be. Okay, so I've created a Python program that will take advantage of this thing. So it's going to connect on port 5625. We'll do this I to list the files. It'll get the file name, except the .txt, because the .txt gets added by the program. And this underscore was in the list of illegal characters. So if you look at the source code, these are disallowed characters. I can't use period, I can't use underscore, I can't use slashes. So I'm going to put a plus in the place of the underscore. Then I'll go ahead and put in that file. I'll encrypt it with that file name. So it'll be flag plus and that string of characters. I will get back the share code. And that share code is base 64 encoded. So I'll take that base 64 encoding, I'll decode it, and then I'll XOR into that character, that fifth character, the difference between the plus and the underscore. So I'll take the cipher and exclusive OR it with the exclusive OR of underscore and plus. And then when that gets decrypted, it'll give me the flag with the underscore in the file name. So I ask it to decrypt with that file, and it's going to give me back the flag. So always, always, always check integrity. So again, the issue here was because I was using the CTR mode, I was able to flip bits in the ciphertext and have those correspond to flipped bits in the plain text. There was nothing checking to make sure that I wasn't doing that. And so I was able to put in a code, the share code for this, with XORed in the fifth byte, giving me the share code for the flag file.